Hi everyone, welcome to another computer tutorial video on this channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss an essential topic for anyone who deals with video, and the topic is how to compress your video without losing the video quality. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves sharing videos, this tutorial will help you learn the step-by-step process to compress video without losing its quality. Please watch the video till the end to avoid any confusion. To get started, you'll need the HandBrake application. It is a really simple, powerful, and useful application to reduce the size of any video file. Okay, why video compression matters? We all love those high-quality videos with vivid visuals and crisp details. But the downside is that they often come with huge file sizes that can slow down your devices and make sharing a hassle. That's where video compression comes in. It lets you shrink those large files while retaining impressive quality. To get started, you'll need the HandBrake application. Step 1, download and install HandBrake. You can grab it from their official website using the link in the description of this video. After downloading, install the program on your PC. Once you finish installing, you'll now see the icon on your desktop. I have already downloaded and installed HandBrake on my PC, so I am opening it directly from here. Okay. This is the first window of the application that you will get when you open it. After launching HandBrake, you can either drag and drop your video file right into the interface or even an entire folder with multiple videos. This is the video that I will use today for this tutorial. Before starting, I will show you its size. Just hover the cursor on the file. You can look at the size of this file. It is 512 megabytes in size and the length is 9 minutes. Now drag the video to the application and drop it here. This is the title of the video, and this is the duration. Here you can choose the output format of the video from these three options, and I choose MP4 format. You can check this box to optimize the output video for online services like YouTube, Facebook. These are the presets, and you can choose any presets according to your requirement, such as these are for 4K quality video. These are for HD videos, and this is the default preset. There are several other presets available. These are web presets optimized for content creators. And these presets are really good for compressed video for sending over email. Okay. I have chosen this 720 pixels HD format. Here, using this option, you can crop any side of the video. If you want to make the video black and white, then click this checkbox under this filter menu. But I am not going to use it anyway. I just want to show you these different settings. Under this video tab, you can adjust the size and quality of the output video. You don't need to change these settings. So leave those options as they are. Now, this is the path to find the compressed video. I am changing the name of the video to identify it quickly after compressing. This is the file name for our optimized video. Now click on this Start Encode button to start the compressing process. Now the process has started. It will take almost 5 minutes to complete. Now open and see the compressed video by browsing here. This is our video. You can see its name. See the size of the video. It is now 310 megabytes in size. That is 200 megabytes smaller than the original video. Wait, don't go anywhere. Our test is not finished yet. Because the video is slightly smaller in size than the original, but not as small as we thought it would be. So let's try another preset, and this time we will use the default preset. Here is the preset. It is very fast 1080 pixel sized preset. Let's try it. Before starting encoding, I renamed the file and added 1080 to its name. Now click on Start Encode. Okay, now the process is complete. Let's open the output folder. Here they are. Now, I will copy these videos to the desktop area. As we cannot copy these both from here, I am opening the containing folder. It is located in the video folder of my document. Okay. These are the videos. Now check their sizes. This is our original video and it is 512 megabytes in size. This is our second video and it is 310 megabytes in size. And this is the lastly compressed video. Look at its size. It is only 222 MB, and compared to the original video, it is quite smaller. Now check the quality of these videos. First, we open the original video. Look at this picture. It's a bug called looper caterpillar, and the video is quite sharp and clear. Now we will check the last video, the smallest one. Vav! Look at this. Its quality is almost the same as the original video. So, you can see that it is quite easy to reduce video size using the presets of the HandBrake application. Just open the app, then drag and drop the video file on the application. Choose a preset and click Encode. If you have an HD quality video, then the very fast 1080 pixel preset is recommended. And for email, you can use a less pixel preset. With HandBrake, you can confidently optimize your videos for various platforms and uses. Plus, it's not just about compression. HandBrake packs a punch with other video manipulation tools. So, whether you're sharing videos or giving presentations, this tutorial helps you with reducing video size easily. Thanks for watching this video on Random Reels. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more awesome content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.